for once. Hi, I didn't see you earlier. How are you? चल बस हो गया. There's no escape to it. Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequoia.
a very good morning to all. We are now on our way for our Sunday school. A lot of light hitting us, and a bit sleepy also. But then can't help it. We have to attend, and there's no escape to it. So बघू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो.
Kamreda.
मेरा क्लैंपिंग चालू है. So I've just reached, and the next mass also has started. Before going to the class, we usually have a break in between. So during the breaks, we would want to eat something. So I'll show you what I'm gonna buy. So this is what we are having. क्या क्या है भैया?
रोल
कौन सा है? वेज नॉन वेज है ना?
नॉन वेज
और ये वो चिकन है कि क्या है?
चिकन
चिकन का ही है ना? तो 3 चिकन पैटर्स दे दो और 4 ये चिकन रोल. Is quite famous, as you all saw. Amazing rolls. Last time also we had it, but we couldn't record it. Today I got the opportunity, so I'm doing so. Really tasty. If you're in Kalyan, especially Our Lady of the Loots, please go and have it. How are you?
You are searching for it.
No, today he's not keeping well. Hi. I didn't see you earlier. How are you? Hey, अच्छा, okay, exchange हो गया kids.
तो सब पहला वचन पढ़ते थे. हाँ याद है कि नहीं? हम बोलते हमारे डबल्स लोग देते थे हमारे बारे में.
We just got done with our Sunday school, and today they taught us about how Jesus formed or got his 12 disciples. So, baby, how was today's lecture?
Very nice.
Yeah, so since we watched Chosen, it was easy to connect what has been taught today. And now, where are we heading, baby?
Home.
And what about lunch?
Let's see. We have some food at home.
So we finish up
Go
that.
and eat.
So whatever is
Today's
at home.
session was good.
It was good, but again sleepy. That's how the devil works. Hey, वो तो है ही है तो है. Every time it has been that, because we've not got our proper sleep as well.
But moreover, I feel you already know things. That's
Correct,
why you
yeah,
seem to be a
yeah.
little less interested than me.
Uh-huh.
Today, all the questions of remember sinners. So people who think that why are we the sinners? Today's session was about that.
Correct.
It was nice.
It was nice. Sure, we'll head home now. We reached our colony. We are not hungry at the moment, so we thought we'll just finish off one work, and that is Hriday's haircut. It's grown. He needs a haircut.
And he's having fever also.
Not keeping well. And now we went to one salon where I usually go, but I don't know, there the staff it's understaffed, so nobody was there to cater to Ani. We just walked out of that place. Now we'll go to another place and get the hair trimmed. Baby, are you also going to trim your hair?
I trim my hair only on my birthday.
Next month. Done?
Yes.
देख जाता लाड़ प्यार, लाड़ कर एक लाड़ प्यार। चल चल बस हो गया, चल हृदय पेगा मनी। What are you doing, baby? Dentist at work. Hriday's tooth is paining.
No, he has his procedure on, so just helping him. Okay?
He's had his haircut also. अच्छा दिख रहा साइड से.
Wash your face. Yeah.
So now you're going to pack your bag? Yes. Okay. While we watch Squid Game
I don't
and
watch.
have a mango.
I'm not watching. I don't watch.
I'm watching Squid Game, doing something constructive and also having mango. The difference between being sophisticated and being a hooligan.
What? It's fun to eat like this.
Start now, then chewing. You're supposed to use your teeth and do it. Maybe. How many of you all have it? Let me know whether you have it in cutting format A, we'll name it, or else you're having it in this choosing and having B. Either A or B. Let me know in the comments. Usually for many, Sundays are a day for rest. But I'm sure the ones who are married and have kids will connect to me when I say this. It is not. Not because of the fact that, it's actually only because of the fact that, we have a lot of work to do on Sunday. And it's like, it's the end of a week. So we need to make sure all the things are prepped up for the rest of the week. So Sunday is that day. Get everything cleaned. The kitchen needs to be cleaned. Anything that remained for the past week needs to be thrown out. And of course, the coming week we need to prepare, get in the vegetables and many things more. Like one thing that we got is we just got the eggs, and now see what baby is doing with those eggs. She's washing them. Are you going to hatch them?
One I have hatched, that वही भारी पड़ रहा है.
देख ना, she's cleaning all the eggs that we just got.
With salt and vinegar, I usually.
With salt and vinegar? Soap नहीं था क्या?
See how clean they are. Full of shit, no?
And of course, whatever things were in the fridge, also we took them out finally. So as I said, Sunday is that day of cleaning everything. Though in the Bible it said it's a day of rest, you're supposed to rest. But new generation, ये generation में तो होता ही नहीं है वो सब. Correct ना baby?
Rest मतलब we are not working.
Working, but of course. But then other things
Following
is like
the Bible.
Following the Bible. Okay, sure. I'll go and give Chester a bath while baby is giving a bath to these eggs. This is how our kitchen looks. And now for the cleaning part. See how clean it is. Whoop, that still needs to be sorted, but most of the thing is done. We keep this kitchen roll. Done, all sorted. Chester, Charlie, Coco. Hey, Guddush. Hey, Guddush. What is smelling the coconut?
Mama and auntie have given. These are from Bangalore.
Coconuts.
Yes.
And what's that? Hey, that's jaggery.
Yes. I have seen this for the first time like this. I didn't
Disc.
know it's like that. This from jaggery.
Okay, look who wants. Who wants? You want jaggery, boo boo? You want jaggery? Huh?
You knew or what?
Yeah,
you
I've
must.
seen.
No, I've not seen. Nice.
Chalo, now what are we doing?
I wanted to watch one episode of Chosen.
ठीक है, we'll watch and then we'll go to sleep.
You want jaggery? You want jaggery, Puttu?
So we'll watch Chosen and then go to sleep. This Zepto bag is for you, huh? Is this for you, Charlie? What is this? This Zepto bag is for you, huh? Chalo, come out now. Enough. So guys, decent Sunday. We went to church, then attended Sunday school, then came home, slept, did our work, and now we are off to sleep. And tomorrow is Monday, so again, wake up early, give tiffin. I won't be doing that, she'll be doing that. Good doze off to sleep.
I've
So
already boiled the
potatoes and kept. ठीक है, so we'll go to sleep now. So असं होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर
लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.
बाय.